Hey, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Uh, Today is a beautiful day. Don't even know if it's beautiful or not. I haven't went outside yet, so I wouldn't know. I just feel like today's gonna be a beautiful day. But today is the day I'm cutting off the wolf, bro. I'm cutting off the wolf finally, bro, because I'm getting tired of it. It's itchy. It's annoying. No more none of this. No more none of this. No more none of that, bro. Today's the day I got to get fresh, bro. I got to get fresh. So today, me and my homie, we going to BJ's barbershop. You know what I'm saying? I know this guy. I only met him one time and only went to him one time. But you know, that one time I just fell in love with his cuts, bro. He just got me fresh. Just got me looking good. But you know, your boy's finna go to school. The right after school, I'm going straight in to get this cut. So y'all stay tuned for that. Just me and my homeboy Corbin. Y'all gonna meet him today too. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned.
One team, one fan, one goal. 3TE, I'ma let the world know that we one team, one fan, one goal. To the top entertainment, you know. I'm on the grind to get the riches. And nothing can stop me now, so fuck all y'all bitches. Steady hanging from the tip. Won't let her get a grip unless you my homie. If you not, they get to stepping. Don't have the time. The key waiting and lately I've been.
Jackpot this time.
Jackpot.
I need to do rag so I can cover my haircut because they're looking rough.
Don't worry, bro. We gonna do that.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the barbershop today.
We doing that right after this class, bro. Time out, bro. Time out, bro. Did she just say we had class today, bro?
Bruh.
Why you looking up?
I just checked my email last night and it said that we had class Wednesday.
Dang, son. Well, you know what that means, bro. Let's go ahead and go to this barbershop. Let's get it, bro. Boy, you look rough, man. Mr.
Bro, look at your head. Take out that
Nah.
do-rag.
I can't take off my do-rag, bro. You know, can't take off the
See,
do-rag.
y'all always got an excuse. I'm wolfing.
I am wolfing.
Your haircut just rough. That's what it is.
Bruh, no, bruh. If it is rough, well, we gonna change it today. We going to the barbershop, but you know, first I gotta get money off my card so we can give the money.
Go to the bank.
Yeah, we gotta go to the bank. All right, let's go. Come on, man. Let's get this money.
Count now.
Any day now. Y'all, bro, you too, bro. This man Corbin don't broke the ATM, bro. Now I can't even get my money, bro.
How I broke it.
I can't even get my money.
Explain how I broke it.
This guy hits Espanol, which is Spanish.
Okay, so listen, click in Spanish, break the ATM, right?
Yes.
All right,
and
no,
you
we
hit
don't.
cancel.
No, you hit cancel.
No,
'cause
you hit
were-
cancel.
I already got my money,
Bro,
I
'cause
got
you
my
hit
money
cancel,
already.
bro.
This
You
was
hit
your
cancel.
This
Now
was your
this happened,
transaction.
bro.
This what Ken decided to do. He want to come up, put a card in here. I'ma just click Spanish. All you gotta do is type in your number. This dude want to type in one number and then hit cancel. So now the whole thing messed up.
Bro, I did not
Cancel
do
when
that,
you type
bro.
in your number.
I did not do
You
that.
gonna mess it all up.
You just lying, bro. Come on, let's go to a different one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man, what can you do with the kind of money like this, bro? Like, what can you do with kind of money like this, Corbin? Huh? Oh, my bad. You trying to focus on the road, ain't you?
I ain't gotta focus.
I'm just flexing on y'all right now. This is rent money plus barbershop money, you know. Yeah, you know your boy got responsibilities to do, but you know, we on the way to the barbershop right now, so yeah, let's link up at the barbershop. You mind if you link up?
Get that fresh haircut.
Yes.
Looking right. I'm gonna get my 2 twists in the front, and I put my metal plates in too.
Hell yeah, that sounds like a plan. Let's get right there into it, bro. YouTube, we finally made it. BJ's. We finally made it.
We finally made it, Corbin, bro. What you doing way over there, boy? What you doing way over there, boy? You ready to get that freshie, boy?
Crossing the street.
All right, man. We at BJ's.
Dude, just look at the sign. It clearly says DJs, man. DJs.
BJ's, it don't matter. Already ready for this haircut. Show them the waves real quick, bro. Yes, sir. This man finna change my life real quick. You already know. I've been calling this place BJ's the whole time, and it was DJ's. That's sad. That's sad, bro. I ain't not even mean to do all that.
Look at all these ways.
Show again. He's spinning those.
I ain't got nothing.
Alright, y'all, let's get into the question.
That's how they say you gonna do it. You gonna let your weight.
My boy, time to get the freshie. How you feeling, sir? Mr. Corbin, kid.
I'm straight.
Straight, bro.
You like Abby Schultz song.
I don't know.
This man finna get fresh.
I don't know who it is.
Yeah,
Man, we friends now. Hey, look at this.
Look at you, boy.
Oh, I got the earrings in now, too.
Boy, my boy's finna be killing them
I got a book
hoes.
bag on the side, man.
My boy finna. No, law. Back view.
Nah.
Portrait, my nigga, portrait. Turn around. All right, let's show them the fresh cut, fresh lineup. Hey, let me see the fade. Turn around, boy. Hey. All right, bro, show them what I'm working with, bro.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Show them that I'm spinning, bro.
Look at the spin.
Show them that I'm spinning,
Look at the
bro.
spin.
They don't
I
want
see
none.
it.
Fresh lineup, bro. First
Look
lineup.
Look at it. Look at the side.
Blade
Turn around. Look at the full body. Oh yeah. Look.
Big strong, big diesel light.
Oh yeah.
With the fade on the side, bro. Blade
Look at
cut,
it.
nigga.
Look
Blade
at it. We
cut.
clean.
Yes, sir.
We clean.
Man, you trying to go out to eat, bro?
But we got the munchies.
Let's go.
All right, y'all. We at Chick-fil-A. You know, we just eating food and everything, bro. So you already know what it is. You know, it's Smash Time City. My homegirl Blue over here. You know, introduce Blue. Yeah.
Gang.
Now I'm called Blue for no reason. Crip gang, you feel me? Yes, sir.
And then y'all got me right here.
Nah, bro. All right, yo. So you know we finna enjoy our food. So you know we out here, bro.
Would you do this to me? On the real, girl, I thought you wouldn't leave. Now I sit here, I still can't believe that you and me just can't be. I listen to these love songs cause your love I can't throw away. But now I gotta move on, now I gotta go away. I sit here staring at the sky, feel like I'm stuck in place. I'm sitting in this sunken space, you left my life without a trace.